For the second challenge in the append method challenge, we're asked what will be the value of list after the following commands. We're given a list. It says this is my list. And then next up, we're given list.append. In list.append is another list. It says now it is longer. So we have first, this is my list. Now it is longer. All in one list put together. Second up, we have this is my list with 4 elements, and then a 5th element, the entire list. Now it is longer. And then our last chance is this is my list as 1 element, and now it is longer as a 2nd element, and it looks like those are in parentheses. So I think a lot of people might think about this first option, right? But when we use the .append method, it doesn't empty the contents of a list and add it to the end of a list. It adds one item to the list, right? It adds one single object to the list. In this case, that object is another list itself. So if I look at my second option here, I have my original object with my second object added as the 5th element. So I think that's the right option. Let's go ahead and give that a chance, and I can see that's correct. In regard to the third option here, that doesn't make sense. It's got parentheses around it, and it's got 2 lists, right? The parentheses actually indicate a tuple, which is an entire other data type that you haven't been introduced to yet, but it is actually the second run, right? We have to remember that the append method adds 1 object to the end of a list. So the list lengths always gets 1 farther. So that's it for this challenge. There's one more challenge on this lesson. I'll see you over there in that video next.